Okay, so here it is. D, A, B minor, A. First position. Now I'm going to go watch this. I'm going to go up to the second position. Seventh fret, D, A, B minor, A. And this is kind of a partial bar. I'm using the E position, sliding right on up, playing the A there on that fifth fret. So it's a bar 5. So whether I play it here, D, A, B minor, A. Whether I play it here, D, A, B minor, A, D, A, B minor, A. Remember, a reoccurring, unchanging pattern. It's called a, yes, you guessed it, an ostinato. You slow down, you move too fast. Got to make the morning last. Sliding up there in that second position now. Skipping down the cobblestone. Looking for fun, feeling groovy. Hello lamppost, what you knowin'? Come to watch your flowers growing. Ain't you got no rhymes for me? Feeling groovy. Oh, I got no deeds to do, no promises to keep. Dappled and drowsy and ready for sleep. Let the morning time drop all its petals on me. Life, I love you, all is groovy. Life, I love you, life, I love you, all is groovy. Thank you, Paul Simon, for such a clever song. Peace. It's Guitar Bobby. Happy New Year.